Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to Jurassic Mile. It's Singapore's newest and largest permanent outdoor display of life-size dinosaurs. Hi, we're in Terminal 3 departure area in Changi Airport. I'm with Daisy.
Hello!
So right now we're in Terminal 3 and we are looking for the Dino Shuttle that will bring us to Changi Jurassic Mile. So right now, since parang nawawala kami, so we're gonna ask around. Mali tayan ta. No. Guys, nawawala. No. Hindi, dapat sa ano tayo, Terminal 2 kasi dapat, data Terminal 3. So guys, as you can see, we are lost. We don't know how to go to Changi Miles. Right now, we're just looking for the Dino Shuttle. So, tara. So, guys, finally, we found the Dino Shuttle that will bring us to Terminal 2. Guys, we found the Dino Shuttle.
Dino Shuttle over here. Adventure awaits me.
Let's go. Okay guys, there, Changi Jurassic Mile. So, ito na guys. Totoo na to. Ayan guys.
This is it.
Yeah, this is it. This is real, for real. We're here at Dino Dazzle. So, this one guys, ano siya, mga Christmas lights. So,
During the day,
siguro mamaya pag madilim na, pag inon yung light, siguro ang ganda dito, pakita namin later.
that's the time that you will appreciate it.
Yes.
Oo,
nagsilaw. Sa video. Yan, ang daming tao. So, hi, magay ka naman. Yan, nakikita nyo ba? Nasa airport kami. Ay,
I'm coming.
dinosaur. Triceratops.
Okay, be ready, guys. Trendy dyan sa pagkakas.
There's another dinosaur. So this is a Apatosaurus.
Renowned as a city in a garden.
This one is the Parasaurolophus, a herbivore. So, yan siya. Mag-asawa sila, guys, oh. Hi.
May keep your left.
We've seen a Triceratops earlier, and now this is Bumpy. This is Bumpy. Ay, this is Ankylosaurus. This is the Bumpy dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus Rex. So this is the T-Rex.